Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting precise context, VS Code version, active extensions, and the exact error message. Reproduce the issue so you see it reliably, then open the Output and Problems panels to capture logs. Once done, copy the stack trace and any error codes. This lets you rule out transient problems versus configuration issues. Make sure to note the workspace settings and launch configuration, because those often explain mismatches between expected and actual behavior. Now you narrow the root cause by isolating components. Start with extension bisect or disable extensions individually. Many errors come from conflicting plugins. Then inspect workspace and launch configurations, plus environment variables, because path or runtime mismatches are common culprits. Run the same command in an external terminal and with VS Code launched using disable extensions to compare outputs. These comparisons tell you whether the issue is editor-related, extension-related, or intrinsic to your build or runtime. Apply targeted fixes based on your diagnosis. Update or roll back extensions, correct paths in settings or launch. JSON, reinstall missing runtimes, or reset corrupted settings. Once applied, clear caches or dependency folders like node modules, restart VS Code, and rebuild the project to verify resolution. If the error persists, export the output and developer console logs and file a concise issue with steps to reproduce. This helps maintainers reproduce and fix it faster. Tip: if things go wrong, recreate the problem in a minimal repo first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.